Make sure your nose cone's on straight. Who's pulling the string? Let's go. What are you doing? Pump it up.
Pump it up.
Push on it. You got it up to 50? Don't go beyond 50.
You always say you're strong, actually be strong.
Big pump, not short ones.
Come on, big long pumps. Push on it. Alright, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Terrible! Oh! It's a 5 though. Yeah, but it went like 2.
Alright, 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Show me the egg. Brooks, get on there. 40 degrees is 42 feet.
I didn't tilt it.
42 feet. There you go, okay?
We don't know yet.
Who's in first?
42 feet.
Not us.
And then who?
Table 1's at first right
Then
now.
who?
Then you guys right now, because they have 2 failures.
They've got to have 1 failure.
Yeah, we can't have it with Brooks yet. They need to have a failure.
We can't have
Who got 102?
Jen.
Jen did. That's mine, yeah.
She really got 102?
Yep. You got the safety pin in?
We're in second.
Anthony, put that on the ground. You shouldn't even pick that up until they pump it up.
Look, these people have 2 fails. They need to fail.
Oh, man.